Congratulations for taking massive action to upgrade your life to the next level by getting a copy of Intermittent Fasting Formula. I'm sure you're going to love what you will discover in this educational, actionable, and result-oriented blueprint. But before you read your copy of Intermittent Fasting Formula, I want to offer you a one-time opportunity to speed up your transformational journey. It is an amazing offer that will complement your new life-changing program. Introducing the Intermittent Fasting Formula Video Upgrade, the perfect companion to your Intermittent Fasting Formula blueprint. Instead of reading the book from cover to cover, why not unlock all the secrets from Intermittent Fasting Formula under one sitting? By watching videos, you can learn faster than by reading the ebook, as you have a voice and visuals to help you understand better, and allows you to remember what you learned from this life-changing blueprint, so you can shortcut your way to achieve success you deserve. Here's why you should get this video upgrade. Discover the secrets revealed inside the Intermittent Fasting Formula guide with more clarity, so you can easily implement the action steps. Speed up your transformational journey by going through the course, as you know watching a video is faster and more fun than reading. Remember more of what you learned, so you can get more results in less time. Absorb what you learn faster from this course with no distraction. Experience personal mentorship, as you have a voice that speaks to you, guides you, and grabs your attention with visual graphics. Inside this video upgrade, you will get 12 premium quality videos of Intermittent Fasting Formula. Here are the things you will get from this video upgrade. What is intermittent fasting? The benefits of intermittent fasting. Why does intermittent fasting help to promote weight loss? Is intermittent fasting safe? A protocol for 16 to 8 intermittent fasting. A protocol for 24-hour intermittent fasting. Other types of intermittent fasting. How to maximize your intermittent fasting results. How to get started with intermittent fasting. Addressing common questions. And much more waiting to be discovered inside. So how much is it for this upgrade? I could easily charge you $497 for the video upgrade, considering how your life is going to change. However, I'm not going to charge you that much, because I want to help more people like you to get in your best shape, lose weight fast, and achieve your dream body. And I believe Intermittent Fasting Formula Video Upgrade can help you achieve all those in the shortest amount of time, compared to just reading the book alone. In this exclusive one-time offer, you get instant access to Intermittent Fasting Formula Video Upgrade for just a fraction of its total value. Plus, your purchase of this video course is backed by my 100% ironclad guarantee for the next 30 days. If you're not satisfied with this video upgrade, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. You have my word on it. Just so you know, this offer is not publicly available. This offer is limited only to you because you bought a copy of Intermittent Fasting Formula, which tells me you are serious about achieving your body goals. So if you click away or close this video, you won't get to see this offer again. Take advantage of this deal now for a low one-time investment. Click on the order button now to get started today